Find or read reviews that people are talking about TIROL electric pressure washer, 3500 psi max, 2.4 GPM, electric power washer with 20-foot hose, 4 nozzles. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Powerful pressure cleaning. The electric power washer generates up to 3500 psi of water pressure and 2.4 GPM of water flow. It can clean gardens, yards, sidewalks, walls, pool, cars, fences, and more. Stubborn grime are easily cleaned. Lightweight cleaning machine. Portable pressure washer with wheels for easy mobility. Accessories also can be hung on the high pressure washer, you can drag it effortlessly to any scene. Spray gun and 16.9 ounces foam cannon. The spray gun combined with the 16.9 ounces foam tank can produce thicker and dense foam. The dense foam can stay on the surface for a longer time, which can make the surface cleaner and giving you much better cleaning experience. 4 Universal Quick Nozzle. This high pressure washer has 4 quick connect spray tips which are 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree. 40 degree. You can choose different pressure washer electric nozzles according to different scenes and different objects that can improve cleaning efficiency. 20 feet hose and 34.4 feet power cord. The electric pressure washer comes with a 20 feet washer hose and 34.4 feet power cord. Design of extended power cord makes anywhere easy to clean. So you don't need to drag the high power washer, which can help you quickly complete the cleaning task. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.